To grow sweet potatoes today, I choose green, healthy, pest-free sweet potato cuttings. To help sweet potato branches sprout and root quickly and healthily, before planting, I will incubate them with honey. I will use scissors to cut all the sweet potato leaves and cut the sweet potato branches into pieces about 15 centimeters long, can be cut short or long depending on your requirements. We need to trim all the leaves of the sweet potato plant because when planted, the sweet potato leaves will also wither and die to sprout new leaves. This will not affect the nutrition of the new shoots. We need to trim all the leaves of the sweet potato plant because when planted, the sweet potato leaves will also wither and die to sprout new leaves. This will not affect the nutrition of the new shoots. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, honey also stimulates root growth, increases resistance, and protects plants from pests and diseases. While the sweet potato cuttings are soaking in honey, I will be making the planter and automatic watering system. With this automatic watering system, plants are always kept moist, not eroded, and not subjected to heat shock. How much water we want the bottle to hold depends on how we punch the holes to connect the absorbent cloth. If we want more water, punch the holes higher up on the neck of the bottle, and vice versa. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. With the way to grow sweet potatoes, we can make use of used items around us. There are many effective ways. With this method, the cost of materials is low and there is no waste. And now I will prepare the soil to plant sweet potatoes. To make the sweet potatoes have enough nutrition from the beginning and the soil is loose, I use worm castings mixed into the soil. To provide long-term nutrition for the plants while keeping them from getting waterlogged and always loose, I use rice husks to line the bottom of the wooden box before adding soil to plant sweet potatoes. For me, utilizing rooftop space and materials to grow plants must always go hand in hand with human health. Therefore, in order not to affect humans, I use vermicompost, a type of fertilizer with high antibacterial properties, loosens the soil, and is not harmful to humans. The wooden box for growing sweet potatoes this time is 35 centimeters wide and 1.2 meters long, so I will place 2 water bottles evenly divided into the space of the pot, so that water is supplied evenly to both sides of the plant. In addition to providing nutrition, sweet potatoes can also be used to prepare many dishes for the family. Sweet potatoes also aid digestion, are good for the heart, help obese people lose weight, and regulate blood sugar. After soaking the sweet potato cuttings in honey water for 3 hours, I started planting them. We will plant the sweet potato cuttings 10 centimeters apart so that as they get bigger, they won't be crowded out as they develop roots and branches. See, it looks simple, right? After planting sweet potatoes, I just need to pour water into the jar. The water will automatically flow out on both sides to supply the plants. Just 10 days after planting, the sweet potatoes have taken root and sprouted new leaves. Now I will start caring for them. To provide nutrients for sweet potatoes to grow, we can make use of everything that is left over in the kitchen, such as discarded vegetables, tubers, fruits, or even unused cold rice. This will help us reduce costs without affecting the environment. I will gently loosen the soil on the surface, then add cold rice and cover it. To prevent insects from entering and affecting the plants, to give the sweet potatoes more natural nutrients, room for roots to grow, withstand unusual weather, and have a new metabolism, I will add soil to the sweet potatoes. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I always keep the plant moist by pouring water into the pot. After 1 month, the sweet potato plant has grown, has high branches, and is in the tuber formation stage. I will pay special attention and promote the ability to produce many large tubers by taking care of it. To add more nutrients to the sweet potatoes this time, I used sea fish to fertilize each plant. Sea fish is very nutritious, especially fish manure, which has many positive effects in enhancing resistance, improving soil, stimulating sweet potatoes to produce many large tubers without harming yourself and those around you. Adding soil to the plant at each stage is essential. In addition to metabolism, the plant is also provided with additional nutrients, helping the plant to stand firmer against the weather. And the special thing when growing plants is not to let the plants lack water. Therefore, I often add water to the vase after each stage of the plant's growth. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Thanks to proper planting and care, after 2 months the sweet potatoes have grown well and ripened, and now I can see my results. With this wooden sweet potato planter box with side lid, I can easily harvest them by taking the empty sideboard and checking the sweet potatoes. Great, you see, the sweet potatoes I planted are very large and plentiful. Now I can officially harvest, enjoy, and give as gifts to my relatives. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.